Welcome guys. So just starting the vlog now. I'm almost on my homework. I have like 5 more problems. But we're gonna go to Costco right now, Walmart. That's like our favorite places to go. So I had something planned for today, but it slipped. So man, I don't like this hair. Oh my god, guys, I think I just thought of something. I just switched to my grandma's DSLR, so here, let me turn the lights, bad lighting. Okay, I just switched to DSLR, so yeah, it's working pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna go now. Just waiting on my grandma and them, because they're taking kind of long. Whoops, I zoomed in. Whoops, okay, yeah. Let's go now. Alright, so we got most of our stuff we need. We've already got all our groceries right here. So
except for
I think we're about ready to go. What you looking at?
When I lost it, yeah, you held my hand, but I tossed it. Didn't understand you were waiting.
I'll record for a little bit. Alright, so go get some food. I think Wendy's. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't know I was recording there. I was just singing, you know. Jolly, jolly Christmas! Alright, anyways, my cousins are coming in a little, so yeah, be tuned for that. We're gonna do some fun stuff, so. Man, I've had so many problems with this camera, but it's my pride and joy, man. I love this camera so much. But after the 4th, I'm gonna save up, I think, for a new camera. So, be tuned for that. Yes. My cousin got a humidifier that smells like a lemon once it goes off, so gotta plug it in. Alright. There it goes.
Oh, you perked up. Are you excited because your friends are here?
Wait, hold on. It doesn't look like it's...
It's on.
I know, but it doesn't look like it's supposed to.
No, it's supposed to. Just do it.
Alright.
Do it.
There we go. That's how it's supposed to
One
work.
time right now it's 4 o'clock. I
Alright.
didn't know they were going to get here at 4.
Alright.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Plug it in. And now press the button.
How's it smell?
Find your money yet?
Not very good at all.
Bro.
I love that.
Can you take, what the heck is this?
It's a lemon humidifier.
Get away from
You
there,
smell it.
What is that? What does it do?
It doesn't smell like lime at all. Rip off.
No, it doesn't.
Did you put that scent? Are you sure the scent's in? Alright guys, so we're gonna throw this water bottle. So you can break it first. We've done this before in the past. Let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna throw it.
On the wall. Right here. So you gotta stand right here.
Yeah.
That little patch right there. Alright. Do it. The heck? Went way over there. I ain't going to get that. We're not gonna play it anymore.
Coco, want to do a cage? Coco.
Well, Ashley's?
No, I didn't.